Yo, homies. It's like 6 a.m. and we're going to do some coding. Let me show you what the final outcome of this video will be. I'm going to hit play. Right now, I only have 4 SLEs. See them? Right there. Our goal is, depending on how many SLEs you put in your game, after you collect them all, you want to have a message pop up on the screen where our points are located on that top left. So watch what happens when I collect them. I have 4 remaining. I'm going to collect 1, 2, 3, and look, I have 1 remaining. Now watch what happens when I collect this last one. I'm going to collect it. Oops. Boom. And I get a message. Congratulations, you collected all your SLEs. Go find Monsignor Barry to hear the good news. This tutorial is going to teach you how to do that. Alright, so let's do it. Double click on the player on the top left in your hierarchy. Go to your inspector on the right, scroll all the way down, and look for the AMS player script. We're going to edit this. So hit this little tab and hit edit script. This will open up the editor. Here is my code. This is the code for the scoreboard, okay? What I want you to focus on is this area right here underneath private void. This is my scoreboard. This displays faith, excellence, service, and remaining points, and this adds them all up. However, I only want this to happen when I have remaining points available. If I collect all my points, I want to display something else. So we're going to create an if-else statement. What I want you to do is go right underneath private void, underneath the first bracket, and go if. So let's think about it. If remaining points, and it will automatically start typing stuff for you if need be, and you can click on it. If remaining points is greater than 0, then I want it to display my scoreboard. So make sure you put your brackets, because remember, if-else statements need brackets. So I'm going to have a beginning bracket and an end bracket at the way bottom. And basically all that does is that creates only if the remaining points are greater than 0 is it going to display that scoreboard. Now, we're going to create an else statement, because else, if anything else, if remaining points are less than 0 or 0, we want to display something else. So we're going to do else, do your bracket, and then what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to just copy and paste some of my original code, because that's already my scoreboard, which displays stuff, and I'm going to put the first 3 lines, and then I'm going to close my bracket at the bottom, just so I already did that. And now we're going to play around with some of this code. We don't want it to display the same exact thing. We want it to display a message. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go down to faith, and let's delete everything inside of this. And I just want it to say, we're not going to add coins. We just want it to say congratulations. So I just put congratulations in quotes, and that's it. So now it's going to display congratulations. Now I'm going to do the same thing down here, and I'm going to delete this. But I want this one to say, you collected all the SLEs. Okay? And finally, my last message is going to be, go see Monsignor Barry. So let's go over here. We're going to erase this. And I'm going to type, go see Monsignor Barry for the good news. Close my brackets, make sure everything looks good. And this should work. Hit play up here on the top left to make sure it saves, make sure we don't have any errors, and then let's hit play and see what happens. We might have to change something else, but let's see. Boink. And one more. Boom. Congratulations. Oh no, look, it didn't display all my message. So there's one last thing we need to do. Let's go back into our player script, go over here and hit edit script. And we need to change some of these numbers around. This is how many characters we are, and there's a lot of characters here. So what I found what works the best, we're going to change all these to 500, 500, 500, 500, and then 500, 500. This will display all the characters. This gives us a lot of room to display messages. So if you want to write a bigger message, you can do that. So I'm going to hit play to save that, and then let's test it in our game and see if it worked. And boom, 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 and boom. There it is. It worked. So this is what I want you to do. Good luck.